9 Morning routine to maximize your productivity. Own your morning and boost your productivity. A good morning routine sets the tone for the day's productivity. Creating a morning routine for increased productivity is a science that can be learned, regardless of how much chaos arises as your eyes open. Finding the ideal morning routine that best suits your lifestyle and preferences while maximizing your productivity takes some trial and error. There is no one-size-fits-all morning routine. You have to know yourself in order to create the ideal one for you. Here are the routines of successful people you may adapt to increase productivity and accomplish your goals. Begin your morning the night before. It is not until the conclusion of one workday that you have a clear understanding of what needs to be done the next workday. Make a list of the things you want to do the next day before you log off, just like the entrepreneur does. Wake up early. Many people who are successful get up early in the morning. Getting up early in the morning allows you to own your hour, which puts you in a great mind frame before getting down to work. By doing the same, you may make time to exercise, walk your dog, meditate, spend time with family, and get a head start on the day before your responsibilities wear you down. Avoid the snooze button. Pressing the snooze button might be damaging to your morning routine. Even though you may have only planned to nap for 5 more minutes, this can easily turn into a half hour. Make it a habit to get up as soon as your alarm goes off to prevent snoozing. Many of us have the habit of snoozing our alarms, but the best approach to overcome this behavior is to establish a better routine. You have more time to establish a useful habit in the morning when you have more time. Drink a full glass of water. You need to stay hydrated for your health and well-being. As feeling well leads to increased focus and productivity, drinking water is an essential part of a successful morning routine. Drinking a full glass of water as soon as you get up in the morning will help you establish a habit of staying hydrated. To avoid forgetting, it's a good idea to do this before drinking your daily cup of coffee or tea. This also prevents any dehydration brought on by caffeinated beverages. Take a sip of coffee or tea. Even though drinking plenty of water is essential to a healthy routine, you should also enjoy it. This will help you wake up more easily and enhance the likelihood that your habit will last. Starting your day with an aromatic cup of coffee or tea might be more joyful. Take advantage of the chance to spend time with your family, pets, or housemates while enjoying your morning beverage. You can also use this time to take deep breaths and practice mindfulness before proceeding with the rest of your morning routine. Prepare a healthy breakfast. Prepare a healthy breakfast with ingredients that make you feel good to fuel your inspiration and kickstart your day. Healthy eating may be simpler than you think. Without requiring much preparation time, a quick smoothie or a simple bowl of oats can promote your health. Utilize self-care. Developing a self-care practice will improve your happiness and well-being. This might range from a grooming routine like taking a shower and using skincare products to relaxing activities like reading a book. Regardless of how you define self-care, you should generally seek out activities that leave you feeling good inside and out. You can take a hot shower or bath to relax, apply a face mask to take care of your skin, and read a book you enjoy to get your brain ready to work. Get in a short exercise. Research indicates that those who are physically active are happier and more at ease than those who are not. Working out has several advantages, including boosting better sleep and more vitality. Avoiding depression is just one of these advantages. You can try getting your heart rate up by doing things like jogging around your neighborhood before work, riding a stationary bike, and doing yoga to build core strength and relieve tension. Adding exercise to your routine can help you position yourself for success, whether you do it daily or a few times each week. Say positive affirmations. Affirmations foster a positive outlook and work to eliminate self-limiting thoughts. Positive affirmations can inspire you to work hard and have confidence in yourself throughout the day when utilized in the morning. I'm looking forward to the day, thankful for my employment, and confident that this week will be productive. To build a more optimistic mindset, read these self-affirmations aloud or write them in your journal each morning. Thinking about these routines can help you move from a peaceful habit to a productive weekday with ease. Do these morning rituals to have a productive day.